7 things that are silently killing your testosterone. 1. Processed food seed oils. Soy, sugar. These aren't just unhealthy. They're chemically engineered to wreck your hormones. Every bite you take of that fast food trash makes you a little softer. Eat like a man. Meat, organs, eggs, salt, water, simple, ancestral, powerful. 2. Porn. The quickest way to destroy your drive is to give it away for free. Porn doesn't just ruin your dopamine. It ruins your confidence, your focus, your ambition. Reclaim your hunger. 3. Blue light and sleep deprivation. No sleep equals no testosterone. You build testosterone at night, in the dark, but you're on your phone until 2 a.m. Trade the scrolling for silence. Turn off the light. Turn on your recovery. 4. Sitting all day. Your body was built to move. Every hour you sit still, your testosterone drops. Get up. Lift heavy, sprint, sweat. Motion is medicine. Laziness is decay. 5. Alcohol and weed. These aren't just vices. They are chemical castrators. Alcohol crashes testosterone. Weed increases estrogen. You can't numb your way to greatness. 6. Plastics and toxins. From your shampoo to your water bottle, you're being drenched in endocrine disruptors. BPA. They're everywhere. But that doesn't mean you have to accept it. Use glass, use steel, stay sharp. 7. Isolation and weak men. Masculinity is forged in struggle and sharpened in competition. But if you're surrounded by men who complain, scroll, and settle, you'll become one of them. Find warriors. Build a brotherhood. Your tribe either fuels your fire or kills it.